Let's learn about different vehicles we see on the road, in the water, and up in the sky. Ready? Let's go! This is a car. A car is the most common way families travel from place to place. This is a bus. A bus is a big vehicle that carries many people to school, work, or other places. This is a bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels, and you move it by pedaling with your feet. This is a scooter. A scooter has 2 wheels, and you ride it by pushing with 1 foot. This is a motorcycle. A motorcycle is a fast 2-wheeler that runs on fuel. Riders wear helmets to stay safe. This is a taxi. A taxi is a car that takes people where they want to go for money. This is a police car. Police cars help officers keep people safe and reach places quickly. This is an ambulance. An ambulance carries sick or injured people to the hospital in emergencies. This is a fire truck. A fire truck helps firefighters reach fires fast and save people. This is a skateboard. A skateboard has 4 wheels, and you ride it by balancing and pushing with your foot. These are roller skates. Roller skates have wheels on the bottom, and you move by gliding on the ground. This is a race car. Race cars are super fast and built for competitions. This is a Jeep. Jeeps are strong cars that can drive on rough and bumpy roads. This is a train. Trains move on tracks and carry many people or goods to different places. This is an airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky and take people to faraway places. This is a helicopter. Helicopters fly using spinning blades and can land in small spaces. This is a subway. A subway is a train that runs underground to help people travel in the city. This is a van. A van is bigger than a car and is used to carry people or things. This is a pickup truck. A pickup truck has an open back to carry heavy loads. This is a garbage truck. Garbage trucks collect trash from homes and keep streets clean. This is a tractor. Tractors are strong vehicles farmers use in the fields. This is a bulldozer. Bulldozers push dirt and rocks to help build roads and buildings. This is a dump truck. Dump trucks carry and unload sand, dirt, or rocks. This is a cement mixer. Cement mixers mix and carry cement to building sites. This is a delivery truck. Delivery trucks bring packages and goods to homes and stores. This is a monster truck. Monster trucks have huge wheels and drive over big bumps and cars for fun shows. This is a boat. Boats float on water and take people across rivers, lakes, or seas. This is a sailboat. Sailboats move on water using the power of the wind. This is a ferry. A ferry is a big boat that carries people, cars, or trucks across water. This is a ship. Ships are large boats that carry people or goods across oceans. This is a yacht. Yachts are fancy boats used for fun trips on the water. This is a jet ski. Jet skis are small water vehicles that zoom across lakes or the sea. This is a canoe. Canoes move when you paddle them with an oar. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons float in the sky using hot air and give a beautiful view from above. This is a horse carriage. Horse carriages are carts pulled by horses, often used for rides. This is a snowmobile. Snowmobiles travel on snow and help people in snowy places. This is a cable car. Cable cars move on wires high above the ground, often over mountains or cities. This is a parachute. Parachutes help people float safely down from the sky. This is a rocket. Rockets blast into space carrying astronauts and satellites. This is a space shuttle. Space shuttles travel to space and bring astronauts back to Earth. This is a rickshaw. Rickshaws are small three-wheeled vehicles used in cities. This is a glider. Gliders are light aircraft that fly smoothly without an engine. This is a sledge. Sledges slide on snow and are used for fun or carrying things in winter. This is a snow plow. Snow plows clear snow off roads to keep people safe. This is a crane. Cranes lift and move heavy objects at construction sites. This is a tanker. Tankers carry liquids like fuel or water. This is a forklift. Forklifts lift and move heavy boxes in warehouses. This is a golf cart. Golf carts are small vehicles used to carry people around golf courses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.